Go.
Okay, this is a Rebus chart, and it's a recipe. It's a pictorial recipe for children, and it has step-by-step directions. And I'm going to show and teach how to make lemonade. And this is very, very easy. As parents, you already know. But when you are talking and teaching to children, you can put all of the domains in this particular nutritional or cooking activity. So we're going to begin with taking a closer look at this Rebus chart. And you see here that I drew the lemon. And this is just the top of a shoebox. So you don't have to go out and buy paper and do all of this. I just took the top of the shoebox and you see the edges, pulled it apart, and I made this Rebus chart. And you see here the eggs, the sugar, and the water. So we're going to get ready and make lemonade. To save time, I've already squeezed some lemons already in the pitcher. But first, you want them to roll the lemon until it's soft, and that's what the instruction says. You're going to cut them in half, actually in quarters. So I'm going to put this right here, and I'm going to begin to squeeze lemons. Well, I need to move this over so you can see. You can also, as I squeeze these lemons, you can talk about estimation. You can get a measuring cup or just a regular cup. And you can ask them, how many cups do you think will fill the pitcher up? So that's a good little game they can play. And it's math. So I'm going to squeeze these lemons. And I would have put the sugar in first, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to put the sugar in now. I'm going to measure the sugar. I'm going to pour it in my little measuring cup here. And this is another math. You can identify all of these numbers here, on here. And I'm going to pour it to a cup. So you can point to that and tell them this is a cup.
Don't read it.
And I'm going to pour it. And I think about 2 cups. You can ask them. You don't want it too sweet. You can talk about how lemons taste. Lemons are sour. Pour another cup. And just as the Rebus says, you're going to take the spoon and you're going to stir. So I got a purple spoon. Talk about the color purple. Talk about the yellow lemonade. And of course, we're not going to let them cut. So parents, be sure you let them roll, which is a fine motor skill. You do the cutting. Maybe the 4- and 5-year-olds with a butter knife, but that's time consuming, but it's up to you. So we're going to stir. Make sure all of the sugar has absorbed. And voila. We made lemonade. And put the top on it. Gonna refrigerate it. Talk about the sugar, that's white. Got my little cutting board here, my knife and all my utensils. And we made lemonade. This is Tasty Tuesday, and we decided to make lemonade, which goes well with lunch, dinner, all your meals. So enjoy. This is just one thing that you can do with your children. Very simple and very easy. Have a good one. And welcome to Week of the Young Child. This is Tasty Tuesday.